Number 10 Best Apps Used by Hackers to Hack Any Game. What if I told you that some of the same tools used to build games and test their security can also reveal how games work behind the scenes? From analyzing mobile applications to monitoring network traffic and inspecting game files, cybersecurity researchers have a huge range of tools available. But there's an important distinction. These tools should only be used on games you own, your own test applications, or environments where you have explicit permission to perform security testing. Today, we're counting down 10 powerful tools commonly used for game security research, debugging, reverse engineering, and analysis. Let's begin. Number 10 Termux. Termux turns an Android device into a Linux-style command line environment. For security students, it can be used to learn programming, networking, scripting, and Linux fundamentals directly from a phone. It isn't a magic game cracking application. Its real value comes from giving researchers a flexible environment for legitimate testing and development. Number 9 Wireshark. Wireshark is one of the most famous network analysis tools in cybersecurity. It allows researchers to examine network traffic from systems they are authorized to test. For game developers, this can help diagnose connection problems and understand how their own applications communicate with servers. It can also teach students an important lesson about how online games depend on networking. Number 8 Frida. Frida is a dynamic instrumentation framework. For authorized mobile game research, it can help researchers understand how an application interacts with its operating system and investigate security weaknesses in controlled environments. Number 7 JADX. JADX is an Android reverse engineering tool. It can analyze Android application packages and produce readable representations of their code. Developers and security researchers can use it to understand how applications are structured and identify potential security problems in software they are permitted to examine. Number 6 APKTool. It is widely used in Android development and security research. For game developers, tools like APKTool can help with debugging, understanding application resources, and investigating how an Android package is organized. Number 5 Ghidra. Ghidra is a powerful reverse engineering framework developed by the NSA and released publicly. It allows researchers to analyze compiled programs and understand their underlying logic. Game security researchers can use it to study software they have permission to analyze and learn how compiled applications work at a low level. Number 4 IDA. Free. IDA is another major name in reverse engineering. The free version provides a way for students and researchers to begin learning binary analysis and disassembly. Understanding disassembled code can be extremely useful when studying software security and identifying weaknesses before criminals discover them. Number 3 GameGuardian. GameGuardian is an Android application associated with inspecting and modifying values in running applications. Because it can be used to manipulate games, using it against online games or other people's software can violate terms of service and potentially cross legal boundaries. For educational content, its most useful lesson is understanding why developers need to validate important game data on the server instead of trusting the player's device. Number 2 Cheat Engine. Cheat Engine is a well-known Windows memory analysis and debugging tool. It is commonly used for learning about how applications store values in memory. For security education, it demonstrates an important concept. Anything stored and trusted entirely on a player's local machine should be treated as potentially modifiable. That is why serious online games use server-side validation for important gameplay decisions. Number 1 Burp Suite. Burp Suite is one of the most recognized web and application security testing platforms. Researchers use it to inspect and test HTTP and HTTPS communication in authorized environments. For games that communicate with web APIs, Developers can use security testing tools like Burp Suite to identify weaknesses in authentication, session management, and API design. And that brings us to the biggest lesson. There is no single application that can simply hack any game. Modern games use multiple layers of protection, including server-side validation, encryption, authentication, anti-cheat systems, and monitoring. The strongest security researchers aren't successful because they know one secret app. They understand how software, memory, networks, APIs, and operating systems work together.